Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make soulfish fry, which is lepo rava fried. Let's get started, and I'm going to show how to clean the lepo first. So the first step is to clean the soulfish. This is already clean. This is how, and these are very easy to clean. Those who already know how to clean, they can skip this part and go directly to the cooking process. I checked this out how fresh they are. And same thing on the other side. Once you remove the skin, take a scissor and cut the belly part. This is how you have to clean. So next step is we'll make the marination for sole fish rava fry. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a lemon. So now mix this. Once you mix, you have to apply it to the fish. So once you clean the sole fish, you have to wash it, and then you have to add masala. Apply masala to that, which we had prepared. And once you apply masala, mix it well. So once you mix the masala, leave this on the side for at least 15 to 20 minutes before we start to fry them. Meanwhile, we'll keep the semolina and rice flour ready. Now in order to dust the fish, I've taken semolina and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. You have to mix this properly. Keep this separate before we start to fry. Dust it properly. Guys, check this out. This is how you have to fry soulfish. It becomes very crispy when you cook it on a slow flame and then gives nice golden brown in color. Check this. I'm going to remove this and start with a new batch.
Guys, do try this recipe and you will do love it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.